not in the mood right now. Hennessy got me booze right now. Mama told me to stack my chips, feeling like I can't lose right now. I see niggas keep playing these games, they must got it confused right now. Straight to the top, there's no never gonna stop when I'm on the
Wait a minute. Who are you?
¿Qué lo que mi gente? Back with another vlog, back with another video, back with another movie. De lo mío, que lo que. Here with another video, like I said, guys. About to do another cruise. I think we're going to Susa, I believe. But this time it's gonna be a lot of cars. Like last time was a good amount, but this time it's gonna be, I guess, a big amount of cars. So it's gonna be a lot of content, and I'm gonna try to get out content because I don't have anyone to help me record right now. So I'm doing this doublies, back with another film. Oh, that shit rhymes, I ain't gonna lie. That shit rhymes, I ain't gonna lie. That shit rhymes, I should be a rapper. I ain't gonna lie. Pero mi gente, esta va a ser una película. Shit's about to go crazy. I got the drone and everything, GoPros, yeah, it's about to go crazy. I'm on my way right now. Got like a 40-minute drive to the meetup spot.
We made this.
I'm starved right now. I got like literally no energy. Didn't have coffee. Yes, sir. Got my motherfucking coffee, so I got my energy back. But we lit. That's what's solid. Let me taste this. Give me. Coño, me quemé. Now I got my energy back. Now I'm chilling. Now we're about to make a motherfucker. So yeah, went to Starbucks, got my coffee, gassed up, and we're like literally 5 minutes away from the meetup spot. So let me head over there and see who's there. I know there's a couple people there. We're supposed to be rolling up by like 1:30. It is 1 o'clock.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Hey, let me fucking go, guys. Let me fucking go. Damn. It's like a dead. Oh!
Shit is hard. I mean, that shit's clean as fuck, bro.
This fool wanna get it. This fool is so thirsty. Walking around fucking, what is this, Target. He should have just went to the store, went to get a coffee or his fucking beverage. Wanna make us late type shit, like what the fuck? I just wanna roll out. I just wanna go already. I just wanna dip out. Estamos aquí esperando a los otros gente. They went to get food and shit. There's the new one?
Nah.
Brand new?
Nah, so that car still just got towed on Friday, or on Thursday night. So I wasn't able to get it out Friday, so I don't have it for the weekend.
God damn. Damn, they finally pull up. Damn. Yeah, we rolling right now. Literally leaving, finally. Yep. So like our first spot, first stop, little spot over here. I think we're gonna chill, take a picture, take a break. Huh? join us or shit. So yeah, we litty. We just got to the second spot. I'm about to drop that drone.
That shit fucking too hard. Look at this shit. I was hitting that shit too hard.
This guy.
Coming out of the corner and everything.
This guy. It's that time I'm gonna fly that drone. He's gonna swing it? You wanna help me record with this one?
Shit. Kiss ass a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
A month out from here or what?
Hey, that one didn't like it pretty much. Huh?
He was all
from the stopping shit. He was like, yeah.
He's all
Run it up, Perry.
Ñaño. Muy ñaño. I'm a piece out here. Got the.
for AAA. We just gotta get down there.
Nah, we just got.
Hey, bro, that rap's hard.
I never rode with like the what's it called the straight.
Going down the road, going back down, then we're gonna go get some food. We're hungry, we gotta gas up. And I don't know where else we're gonna. Vamos a ver. Probably go home after. That's it. Muñeño!
Fucking stinks.
Oh, someone's clapping cheeks in here. Another location, another cruise. Second cruise of the day. And thank God it's like on my way to my house, so I ain't tripping. Sunday fun day. Fuck it, it is what it is. Crazy. Somebody go Willie. Now. Yes, sir.
There was one, I popped the clutch and I cleaned it like.
No pick, no proof. No pick, no proof. No pick, no proof.
I got witness. She's
Yeah,
all.
She has to.
She's like,
Yeah. She's all, nah. What's up? Let's go snowboarding. That. I'll be like,
Send me the bit. Oh,
wow, that was sick. And I'll be like, me next.
it's like you just keep going. All right, bro.
Be next.
there's only one way to do
Video
it.
like that, some fool on a little roadster bike. He's going like 15 miles an hour and he's going around a turn. He's all.
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, I can't even bend my neck like that. That's stuck in the leg.
For real.
My anti-lag wasn't working. Yeah, brake boosted. It's faster.
Going back down, going home after this, because I'm exhausted and I needed to edit this video, because it's about to be a movie. Yeah, we're going back down right now. We're going back down slowly. I don't know about them, but not I. Makes that pizza.
Yo me nigga, mírame el pate. Yo me nigga buscándome un check. Carro el foreign y no estés. No soy de medallo, pero estoy